guys, today we're literally going to unbox the cheapest wireless speaker that I managed to find. I bought this for under $10, so I have no expectations whatsoever. Besides that, I have never tested anything from the brand Yenkee. I have no idea how it performs, so it is exciting for me to unbox this product, which is a 3-watt speaker, bought for under $10, relatively small, compact and lightweight. And let's see the specification before we proceed. So it is version Bluetooth version 3.0. It has 500 milliampere battery, 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones, and MicroSD TF card slot with support of up to 32 gigabytes. And driver unit is 40 millimeters, so 3 watts of power output, and around 8 hours out of this battery. Actually, the battery is 600 milliamperes to be correct. I was mistaken a bit. So 145 grams, relatively lightweight, and the transmission through the Bluetooth connection is up to 10 meters. So it says it is durable, shockproof outdoor design. So at some point we're probably going to test that, but today we're gonna do the unboxing and the first test. So stay tuned until the very end of this video to see everything about this small speaker. But now let's start with the unboxing. With the unboxing itself, see what is inside the box of this Yenkee YSP 3003WE. That's the long name of this speaker. And there we go. Here it is, the inside. So on the back we have some information manuals. We have this strap that you can use, the metal hinge, and here is the speaker itself. Oh, some cables included as well. Very nice, very nice. So it is so is it a Type-C? Actually, we'll check this in a second, but this is the speaker, has some weight to it, and 3.5 millimeter cable. And this is not a Type-C, USB-A to, we'll check this in a second. Probably that might be a charging cable or something like that. So here is the speaker itself. I'm not sure if I think there were some color variations, but that's the one I picked. It's very nice and settled. Small, you can attach this to whatever you like, backpack, your jeans, or whatever you like. So let's see the ports here. So yes, this is a charging cable and it's not a Type-C, so this is the first disappointment here. It's not a Type-C, so I cannot just directly use most of my Type-C chargers. Probably it is a bit outdated. I'll check and see when is this manufactured, because most of the new, even cheap speakers use Type-C, but that's just one downside. Here is the card slot that you can see, and the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so you can plug your headphones. And yeah, there is something like a camera sign here. I'm not sure what is this. I'll check and post this in the description and the comment and see what is this button about. And here are the main controls. You have power, volume up and down, and you can optionally make calls. From what I see, there's a button for calls, so I assume there is a microphone included in this little guy. So now let's try and see if it has some power in it, and let's power it on. So I charged this little guy for a while, and it's time to test it and see if it will power up. Okay, so it needed a harder push, probably my mistake. And now let's see if it will connect to a regular Android smartphone. So found it in the Bluetooth list. Now let's try to pair. And this is the sound that you're gonna hear once it is connected. Now it is time for the sound test. Let's go. Let's power it down a bit, and then we're gonna go up. Good highs. Oh, nice bass. Very nice. Very nice bass. For the size of it, of course. Let's power it up more. Let's pump it up with the plus sign here, volume up. Very nice and crisp sound. For the small size, it really impresses with the clean sound that it delivers. I'm really impressed. Let's put some more power. Really powerful, so let's turn it down a bit because it gets very loud in here. So a lot of power in this little guy. You see, it's even smaller than the JBL Go, which is quite small, to be honest, already, and this is even smaller than the JBL. So very good job. I'm really impressed with the sound. There's some punchy bass on it, coming out of a 3-watt speaker, of course, and the highs are very clear, unlike the Canyon speaker that we tested this week. Actually last week. This has cleaner highs, so very nice and crisp sound out of this little Yenkee speaker. So yeah, let's stop it for a second. So I'm really impressed. This is the cheapest speaker under $10, and the sound that it delivers is just close to fantastic for this size. You see how small this guy is. So really nice product, which also promises, from what I see on the packaging, that it is quite durable as well. It feels like it. The materials feel very durable. So we're gonna test it further, but I think this is one very good purchase. If you find it under $10, give it a try. It's a nice gadget to have and to listen to. And check the channel for more interesting reviews, and I'll see you later.